What's this called?
Fraction friction.
Okay, Daddy, are you ready?
Yes.
Daddy's going to do a magic trick for us.
This is called 1 into 2.
1 into 2.
See, at first you have to place the ball on top there. And you start it rolling to get the friction. The quicker you get it moving, eventually it produces 2.
How'd he do that?
Wait. Oh, it's gone. No, it's right here.
Well,
Oh.
how'd he do that?
Okay.
There's always been something different about me.
That's
My mom,
what Knucklepaw said. Our grandpa.
yeah, they thought it was going to hurt my heart.
Because he can levitate. Because he can levitate. That's awesome. Woo-hoo. The magic of the ball. You have to teach me. Okay. You need him, please, Aubrey.